Only 20 minutes east of St. Paul, Minnesota, lies hundreds of miles of smooth, open roads, farmlands, and numerous quaint villages and towns along the St. Croix River. Our ride today explores all of these. This is a wonderful ride filmed over 2 days. The first day was rainy and overcast. The ride was perfect. The shelter from the clouds and the light drizzle kept the world peaceful and romantic. The next day, it was sunny and warm. The colors popped out and the ride was alive with excitement. Both rides had its own mystique and personality, so I combined them both into one video. This 1 hour and 15-minute workout, it's not just about the scenery though. I had a name picked out for it after only the first 30 minutes, Hillervoles. Short little hills, one after another, endlessly approached. As soon as we got over the top of one, another would stare us down. Each hill was a sprint to the top, which finally exhausted every muscle in our bodies. This workout provides a series of intense efforts followed by rest and recovery as we ride along the Minnesota rollers.